Today I'm very excited to introduce to you our latest technology, the IM series machine. IM stands for inverted machining. This is something new in the machine tool world, and we're very excited to be able to present this technology to you. Inverted machining basically means upside down machining, which is very unique. We have designed a machine that can actually be faster, have a smaller footprint, and also have this inverted machining, which makes most of the components very stable and stiff. So we expect some really good results out of this equipment. The idea for inverted machining came up many years ago. End of this year we will have the first patented IM solution on the floor ready for you to look at. I'm very excited about this new technology. Contact us and we will turn your world upside down.